Here's three powerful tools you didn't know existed in Google Classroom. So if you come to your homepage and you click Gemini, you've actually got Google's AI assistant inbuilt into Google Classroom. You've got all crazy cool things what you can use as a teacher to build out, instructional material, assignments, support for students, and so on. So number two is if you actually go into one of your classes, you click classwork, create, you now got Notebook LM actually embedded into your classroom. You can select it and it'll make a notebook based on your course materials. So you can just select it. You can click all the drop down. You can select what courses you want, what subjects or specific topics you want. And here's one I actually created just before from my grade 9 digital design class. And here's a couple of information. We've created the source and I've gone ahead and I've clicked audio. And what it's done is it's generated this audio podcast between two presenters. I've created flashcards so we can see some questions. The kids can go ahead and do some quick quizzes. You've even got a video creation on here, which is just insane. But today I want to show you, click interactive on the audio, and you can actually have a podcast.
With a deep dive. Today, we're really cutting through the noise.
We are.
We're tackling one of the most critical skills.
But the crazy cool thing is what we're going to do is click join, and I'm actually going to join this conversation. So your students could actually join this three-way conversation.
I think in any field, which is moving from this giant, complex.
Oh, our listeners got something to share. Let's hear it.
Can you explain really quickly what the purpose of computational thinking is for a grade 9 student?
That is a fantastic question.
And we are happy to pause for that.
Especially for a grade 9 student, because computational thinking, or CT, is really your universal problem-solving toolkit.
Exactly. The purpose is to understand and solve complex problems before a computer ever gets involved.
It's the framework that lets you take a...
So as you can see, there's some three quick, powerful tools. If you like this content, let me know. And remember, effort equals results. I'll see you in the next one.